and this is my second cup of instant coffee. That's right, I drink instant coffee. So I'm going into my second week of French, and as a total beginner to another total beginner, I have just 2 tips for you in learning the language. So my first week went really well, and my biggest takeaway from learning the language is number one, I know my learning style. If I did not know my learning style, I would probably not be where I am right now as far as my progress goes. I need the audio input, the visual input, so finding these podcasts with transcripts were just fantastic. It made my experience of language learning the first week just absolutely beautiful. Um, excuse me. By the way, your learning style is different from mine. To each their own. So find the tools that accommodate your learning style. Okay, be it podcasts, be it vocabulary books, grammar books, whatever. Tip number 2 is to reserve time just for language learning, because life happens, things come up. If you're the type of person who does block scheduling, or if you are the type to schedule every half hour of your day, whatever it is, set a time, set a block, or set a half hour mark to study your language. Whatever happens today, maybe I have to go to the ER or urgent care, whatever. I don't know. But I'm not going to be standing in line at the grocery store, and I will not whip out my phone to study, to do a Duolingo lesson. I just know that I'm going to be people watching at the store. You know what I mean? I'm a big people watcher. I'm in the environment, and I'm 100% in the environment. I don't take my phone out. I don't scroll. I don't do it. I look. I don't know what the day brings, so I'm going to set this time to study French. So those are my 2 tips. I'll see you in the next video, the second week update. All right.